Hey, what's up, everyone? I wanted to make a quick video just showing some new strategies that we've been using with the easy trend indicator. So we still have the easy trend indicator on the chart. We also have the Bollinger Bands. I just keep the upper and lower bands deselected, and I just keep the basis on. We still keep the length and the standard deviation the same. And then we also use this indicator called colored EMA. And we have the 50, 13, 21, and 200 EMA on the chart. You can change their colors right here. So your chart should look something like this. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and jump into, I like using the 1 minute time frame. So what I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and just replay back a couple of days here, and we're going to jump into the 1 minute time frame. And I like to go right to 8 a.m. Eastern, which is 7 a.m. Central. So we're going to wait for it to get to here. Cool. And this is like where I like to start trading at. It looks like we're kind of pushing right into some volatility at 7 a.m. Or 8 a.m. Eastern. And what I like to do is with these EMAs, they kind of give you like I think of it like a little roller coaster where when we're following this line here, we're using it as support. We're just continuing to just keep push, push, push. And I want to have all the EMAs in confluence with each other before I look to take a buy or sell. It's just additional confluence. So right now you can see that we came up from this support area and we've been consolidating, and now we're starting to push up again, and all these EMAs are starting to move exponentially up. I like that. And what we can do is just look for quick scalps. So I'm just going to take a buy right here. And boom, we made about 8 pips. I would be out just within a 1 minute candle. And this is like a very quick, like 1 minute time frame scalping strategy. You do not need much. The market will give you it very quickly, especially with trading on the 1 minute time frame on a US30, which is a very volatile pair. So we got our 8 pips. It actually looks like we got out right at the top, which doesn't always happen. But let's kind of watch the charts here and we'll see if we can find any other opportunities. I would not be taking sells because the EMAs are still above the green line here, which is essentially that support line. So we're still technically in buys. But you can see market's starting to push back around again. Might be looking for a buy here if we can, we're starting to make some higher highs. See if we can push above this area here. I might be looking to take a quick buy. Unless the EMAs start crossing. So we're consolidating right now. Market's pretty slow. Market hasn't opened yet either, so we haven't really gotten any volatility. We just seem to keep bouncing back and forth. Our EMAs were kind of really consolidated, so I'm going to give this a second to breathe before I'd be looking to take a buy. All right, so our EMAs are expanded. We just jumped above this area here, broke above it. You can also see on the easy trend, everything is a buy from all the way from the 1 minute up to the daily. So I'm going to take a buy right here. Probably target somewhere up in this area for take profit. Okay, cool. 4.5 pips. Definitely close out like right around here. So another 8.5 pips on this trade. You can see how simple it is where we're just scalping. And depending on how much you're risking per position, if you just made 16 pips for the day, that should have gotten you enough to get somewhere between 0.5% to 1%. And then I would be done for the day. And you can just come back and do that every single day. The goal is to get in and out of the market as fast as possible. The more you're in a trade, the longer you're holding a position, the more risk you have. So if you can get in and out that quickly, we can be done right before the market even opens. The market opens here at 9:30 or 8:30 Central. And let's see what the market does. So we push down during market open and boom, we shoot up. If I was feeling risky, you could take another buy probably around this area, but we already made our money for the day. So I would just sit on my hands and let the market play out. But sometimes, depending on when the market opens, you can get a quick little push to the upside. Like even if it was, another 8 pips right here, You could get that pretty quickly, which you do right here, and you would have got in and out on this wick before it even came back down. And then look at the market can push all the way down all the way it wants. We already made our money. We got in and out. So I like this 1 minute strategy because all you need to do is just catch a quick movement and then you're done. And even if you're wrong, you can sometimes dollar cost average into your position, which will ultimately result in a little bit more drawdown, but you can get in and out just as quick. So I hope this helps and just gives you a little bit more of like an insight of a different way you can use the easy trend indicator. I think the biggest thing with this strategy is being in the market for the least amount of time as possible. You can see the trades that I opened on this back test. One was a 1 minute candle, or like literally a 1 minute trade. And then this one was a 1, 2, 3 minute trade. So 4 minutes total exposure to the market. Got in and out, could have made about, 0.5% to 1% and then been done for the day. So I hope this helps, and definitely reach out if you guys have any questions.